Using Mozilla Firefox but have no idea how to find a reliable VPN service? Are you afraid that the current VPN you are using may be leaking data or not as secure as you might have thought? Well, Swing VPN is here to help you with that. All you need is a working Android device and a Windows machine with Firefox installed. You don't need to install any client on your system directly. Just follow this step-by-step guide and you would be browsing your favorite websites in no time. For Chrome users, be sure to check out our video on how to set up Chrome. Before setting up VPN hotspot, just make sure your Android device and your PC must be on same Wi-Fi network. Using any Android device, such as your smartphone, download Swing VPN. Start it up. Once the app loads up, click on the power button to start your VPN connection. Now, click on VPN hotspot. You should now see two options, SOCKS and HTTP. On your Windows machine, click on the Mozilla Firefox icon to start the browser. Once the browser window opens, click on the three horizontal lines for Settings, found on the right side of the address bar and choose Settings. Scroll all the way down to find Network Settings. Click on the Settings button. Now, you should be presented with a connection setting window for proxy setup and other options. Click on Manual Proxy Configuration. Now, you have the option to choose SOCKS proxy or Web proxy, HTTP. Go ahead and click on SOCKS host. Be sure to leave the SOCKS v4 and a SOCKS v5 untouched. It should be on SOCKS v5 automatically. You should be able to see SOCKS host field and a field for your port number. Now, switch to your app interface, click on SOCKS and simply copy the IP address and port number shown in the SOCKS field of the app. Enter the SOCKS IP under SOCKS host, and port number under port field on your Firefox proxy setting window. Once done, click on OK. Ensure that SOCKS fields are erased before switching to HTTP. Switch back to Swing VPN and click on HTTP. Then, on your Firefox setting windows, type in the IP address and port under HTTP proxy and port fields. Next, enable the Also use this proxy for HTTPS underneath the HTTP proxy field and the port, and then click on OK. That's it. You're done. Whether you chose HTTP or SOCKS, you should now be able to browse to Disney+, Netflix, and any other of your favorite websites without a problem. To ensure we are able to do so, let's confirm this by going to www.iptocheck.com. Your IP should now be showing a completely different address, making it completely secured and safe. VPN has never been this easy, fast, and reliable. Why wait? Log on to Play Store now and download your copy of Swing VPN today.